Hello everyone, this is my review of the MAXLAPTER Retractable Dog Leash, a superb accessory designed for small and medium breed dogs weighing up to 45 pounds. With a length of 16 feet, this leash gives your pet the freedom to explore while providing reliable control. This leash features a built-in LED light that is rechargeable, making it ideal for nighttime walks. The design is tangle-free, so you do not have to worry about knots interfering with your stroll. The anti-slip handle offers a secure grip, and the nylon tape construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The one-button brake is easy to use and allows you to stop the leash instantly for improved safety. Overall, this retractable dog leash is a great choice for pet owners who value quality and convenience. Highly recommended for everyday use, and I hope this review helps.